Hi guys, and welcome here on my YouTube channel. Today's video is about goodies that I received in the last time. The story behind these products is very simple, is nothing complicated here. On the feed of my social media accounts, from time to time different ads appear if I want to try a certain product. If I'm interested, I sign up, if I'm not, I scroll down. Usual for samples, you don't need to pay anything. Well, sometimes you do, it depends on the brand. For travel size or full size products, you need to cover the delivery fee. From this pile in front of you, only for one product I paid the delivery fee. I will let you know how much it was when I will get to that product. From the beginning, I want to let you know that all the items that I have in these envelopes are samples, so if you are not curious to see them, don't waste your time. For those who are curious, let's get started. Here in this small white envelope, I have all the skincare samples that I received. I will start with a small treat from the brand MZ Skin, Cleanse and Clarify, Dual Action AHA Cleanser and Mask. Is a skincare product that may be used in two ways, as a face cleanser or as a face mask. The next sample is from Youth to the People, Kale plus Green Tea Spinach Vitamin Superfood Cleanser. Is a daily face cleanser suitable for all skin types. I had this product in the past and was nice, is gentle with the skin, in my opinion is perfect for young skin. Here I have a sample from Olivana London, is a night face serum, Bakuchiol Miracle Night Serum. Is a face serum that targets fine lines and wrinkles, pigmentation, elasticity and firmness of the skin. Is safe to use in day and is pregnancy safe too. Let's move forward to the next envelope, and inside I have a fragrance sample from Prada, Ocean Luna Rossa Eau de Parfum. A very nice men's scent, it's aromatic, is strong, is fresh, is not a new scent from Prada, is on the market for a while, so I think that many of you knows this fragrance. In the next envelope I have two samples from YSL. First sample is the Black Opium Eau de Parfum, and this scent is well known for many of you, is on the market for a while. It's an addictive scent, is sweet and floral with black coffee notes, a very nice scent that I know well. Unfortunately for me, is a bit hard to wear it, it's a bit too sweet for my taste. And the second sample from YSL is Myself Eau de Parfum. Here we have a beautiful men's scent. This is a new fragrance from YSL and to be honest, is a very nice one. It's fresh, is citrusy and is spicy. I can't wait to see what my husband thinks about it. In the next envelope I have three samples. I received them separately, but I put them together to save time and space. Here I have something from Ghost, Orb of Night, Opulence Eau de Parfum. This is a new scent from Ghost, was launched this year. It smells lovely guys, is floral and sweet, is citrusy, spicy and woodsy. In my opinion it has something in common with the Black Opium fragrance. Well, it's not so warm and expressive as the Black Opium, is more a floral and mysterious scent. Next I have a sample from Mugler, Angel Eau de Parfum. This is the original fragrance. I know that many of you knows it. It is a beautiful sweet warm scent with notes of vanilla, honey and caramel. The last scent from this envelope is from Valentino, Born in Roma Intense Eau de Parfum. Is a new scent from Valentino, was released this year. Is a powdery floral scent with notes of amber and vanilla. Is balsamic and spicy, very nice scent, like it a lot. In the next small box I received a sample of a new fragrance from Hugo Boss, Boss Bottled Elixir. Is a woodsy, spicy scent for men, is strong, is bold, a bit overwhelming for my taste. Definitely is a autumn-winter scent because it's heavy and expressive. Let's move to the next small box, and inside I have two samples from Jean Paul Gaultier. Here I have a sample of Gaultier Divine Eau de Parfum, and this is a new fragrance launched this year. This time the scent is different, is floral, is aquatic and salty, a bit powdery and aromatic. It smells nice but not exactly what I like. And the second sample is Le Male Elixir, and this fragrance was released this year. Is a man's scent, is sweet, is aromatic and fresh. I feel the vanilla and lavender. Very nice scent, to be honest. I like it more than the woman's scent. Beautiful in one word. The last box now, and inside I have a sample from Medic 8. For this product I paid for the delivery. Well, usually you pay for the delivery when the product is on travel size or full size. Is not the case here, and because of that I was a bit disappointed when I saw the size of the product. Here I have 4 ml of a crystal retinol free. Is a night face serum with medium strength vitamin A. I already use vitamin A in my skincare routine, and to be fair, this product was and is on my wish list. Happy that I have a chance to try it before buying it. These are all the goodies that I've received in the last time. They are not many, but I am pleased with all of them. Let me know your thoughts about today's video. I will be happy to know your opinion. A huge thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!